My name is Ben Tipton. My background is water and wastewater treatment of around 40 years for the city of Glenwood Springs, Colorado, and local subdivision water systems. I want to talk about the water treatment and my objection to the injection well. Water treatment was developed to protect people's health and save their lives. It's been around since the 1900s. Chemical and physical processes are used to accomplish this. Processes saved many lives and prevented many diseases. Water treatment and facilities and operators are licensed by the state of Colorado. Raw and treated water is sampled and tested by licensed operators and state certified labs. Not all contaminants are sampled and tested for every day, week, month, or year. Anyone can see this fact by reading the yearly drinking water quality report, also known as the Consumer Confidence Report. And this is of our water system from right here. It is online and anybody can find it. Anybody can see the facts that I'm going to be talking about by reading this Consumer Confidence Report. This injection well eroded my confidence in the water I am paying to have made safe. If these chemicals are not harmful, why are they required to be monitored by the Department of Health? Colorado Department of Health has stated wells should not be put in this location. Individual chemicals may be proven to be safe. Molecular combinations of chemicals above and below ground can change that fact. A copy of the CCR, as I mentioned, is online. The copy of water regs for the state of Colorado 5 CCR 1002-11 can be acquired online or through the Glenwood Springs Water Treatment Facility. If anybody's interested, go to City Hall and they'll steer you in the right direction. The violations are covered on the CCR. This is the 2014 one, and they send this out in 2015. Right on the bottom, we had 2 violations for failure to monitor that are part of the inorganics group that we monitor quarterly. We failed to notice that the nitrates and fluoride had not been analyzed when the inorganic chemicals had been sent in. This is certified through the state. When I'm pointing out that accidents do happen, administratively and technological wise. I don't care how far underground this stuff is injected. It's going to be there for years, and it can and will surface eventually. That's my opinion. Injection wells have no business near water treatment facilities or the Colorado River. I am sure there are other places they could put this injection well. Thank you.
My name is Betsy Leonard, and I live at 71 Riverview Place, Battlement Mesa. It's in the Willow Creek Housing Division. The APAD is in violation of both Garfield County's own land use code and the COGCC state rules. The APAD is particularly bad because it is within 500 feet of homes and in violation of the COGCC setback rules. The APAD is clearly incompatible with adjacent land use. Adjacent land to the APAD residences are close to both the drinking water supply and the Battlement Mesa, Colorado River. There's no mitigating for a bad location. So many wells are so close to a large number of homes is a bad location. These pads are clearly in violation of Garfield County's land use code and should be denied. Distance is the best protection against both nuisance and potential emissions. The COGCC should deny URSA's request to place an injection well on the APAD and thus within the PUD boundaries. Toxic injection wells do not belong in residential areas or so close to the Colorado River. The Colorado Department of Health and Environment has specifically stated that Class 2 injection wells do not belong in residential areas. URSA is projecting to have a Class 2 injection well. Injection wells create an unnecessary long-term risk of spill or release to potentially impact the public water supply. And injection wells are not connected to any property issue rights. It's not required to develop mineral rights. The only entities that will benefit from this action are URSA and the Battlement Mesa partners. Battlement Mesa Partners is risking the health of the entire community by allowing the storage of toxic waste next to the drinking water supply. Many residents of Battlement Mesa have already experienced impacts from noise and odors from current development and continue to be impacted. And we look to URSA to provide permanent rather than temporary solutions. Thank you.
My name is Leonard Bowlby. I live at 125 South Ridge Court. Have a townhome here in Battlement Mesa. I'm not against drilling per se. I am against drilling in our PUD. I was promised when I bought the townhome 13 years ago that there would be no drilling inside the PUD. Well, that is not the case now, but I am definitely against this injection well that is right next to our water intake for the water at Battlement Mesa. I cannot see any reason except URSA saving a few bucks just to put it where they want to put it. We got to have a little bit of control over our community. That's all I got to say.
My name is Lita Terrell, and I live in Mesa Ridge, Parachute, and I'm very much against having the injection well inside our PUD. I think it's not necessary to have it near our water supply, which makes that very bad because of leakage, and it's dangerous to have it there too. So I hope that that won't happen.
URSA is messing with my drinking water, and I want a guarantee. Not a guarantee if there's an accident like, gee, I'm sorry, or I never thought it could happen. But I want an ironclad guarantee. A guarantee like I can guarantee that this is my left hand and this is my right hand. That's the kind of guarantee I want. They can't give me one, and if they say they can, they're lying. They're injecting that nasty water into the ground, and they're not sure where it goes. It's got all kinds of nasty stuff in it. Carcinogens, cancer-causing. It doesn't belong anywhere near drinking water. We shouldn't take any chances like that with drinking water. Be safe, be sure. I'll sleep better, and I think URSA will sleep better also. My name is Walter Perrine. I live in Battlement Mesa in the Stone Ridge section, 25 Alder Place. Thank you.